Ever wondered how to clean your walls without removing paint? It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be a breeze. Firstly, dust your walls with a microfiber cloth or a duster to remove surface dust. This simple step can prevent dirt from turning into a stubborn, mud-like substance when mixed with a cleaner. Now it's time to prepare your cleaning solution. For most painted walls, a mixture of mild dish soap with warm water should do the trick. However, if you're dealing with more stubborn stains, consider adding a small amount of white vinegar to the solution. But remember, caution is key here, as vinegar can sometimes affect paint finishes. Before you go all in, it's important to test the solution on a small hidden area of your wall. Wait for it to dry to ensure it doesn't affect the paint. Once you're confident your cleaning solution is safe, gently wash the walls. Use a soft sponge or cloth, and remember to wring it out well to avoid excess water. Scrubbing too hard can remove or dull the paint finish, so be gentle. Tough stains might need a more targeted approach. A paste of baking soda and water can often do the trick. Apply it gently to the stain, but test this on a small area first, as baking soda is mildly abrasive. After cleaning, rinse the walls with a clean, damp cloth to remove any soap residue. Residue can attract more dust if left on the surface, so this step is crucial. Finally, dry the walls using a soft, dry towel. This helps prevent water from soaking in, which could damage the paint or wall. Remember, the key to cleaning painted walls is gentleness. Avoid harsh chemicals, abrasive tools, and excessive water, as these can damage the paint finish. And when in doubt, consult a professional. In summary, dusting using a gentle cleaning solution, testing, washing, tackling stains, rinsing, and drying are the 7 steps to clean your walls without removing paint. Follow these steps, and you'll have clean, vibrant walls in no time. Enjoy the freshness that a clean wall brings to your space.